We've got a tactical flashlight here with 5 modes. It's got 90,000 lumens. It's very bright. It's a zoomable light, so you can zoom the beam of light in and out. It is completely waterproof and perfect to keep in the car, camping, hunting, anything that you would need an intense, durable flashlight for. This is LED. We've got our rechargeable battery that it comes with. Just simply screw off the back. Remember, this is all sealed and waterproof. You have an option that comes with that you can put batteries in it. So you can put AAAs in here, or you can use the rechargeable, either one. So it's a great option to have. Got our battery in, and then here's our different modes. It tells you what mode you're on. We've got our straight light there. Notice we can zoom that light in and out. You can tell there. As we zoom out, it'll come back on camera. There it is. You've got low beam there. We've got lower. We've got a flasher if you need to get some attention. Different speed of flash. This is an SOS right here. Notice the signal there. So this is SOS flash. And then you've got off. You've got your charging port right here. So this is rechargeable. Again, you can use your disposable battery pack as well. Perfect for camping and the outdoors.